In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Wix works in just 5 minutes. First off, Wix is renowned for its vast library of pre-designed templates. This feature allows you to swiftly find a layout that suits your specific type of website. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a small business site, or an online portfolio, Wix's templates are meticulously crafted to meet various design and functionality needs. You simply select a template that resonates with your vision, providing a solid foundation to build upon. Next, the Wix editor is incredibly user-friendly thanks to its drag-and-drop interface. This means you can effortlessly add elements like text boxes, images, videos, buttons, and more to your site. Just click and pull them into your workspace, arranging everything precisely where you want it. This intuitive system makes it possible for anyone, regardless of technical skill, to design their own website. The customization potential with Wix is extensive. You can modify everything from colors and fonts to the overall design aesthetic, ensuring that your website reflects your unique brand identity. Plus, you can switch between desktop and mobile views to tailor your site's appearance on different devices. This level of personalization helps create a cohesive and professional-looking website that functions seamlessly across all platforms. Wix also offers AI-powered tools to make the process even smoother. Features like the AI Text Creator and Image Creator help fill in content gaps efficiently. These tools can generate engaging text and appealing visuals, enhancing the creative process and saving you valuable time. With these at your disposal, you can elevate the quality of your website without needing specialized skills. For those considering the scope of their site, Wix supports both multi-page websites and single-page websites. If your project involves complex content and multiple segments, a multi-page layout will serve you best. Conversely, if you're developing a landing page or need a simple, concise digital presence, a single-page site will suffice. Wix provides the flexibility needed for both setups. When it comes to cost, Wix offers a free plan that includes basic features, ideal for those starting out or experimenting. Moving up, premium plans unlock advanced functionalities such as custom domains, the removal of Wix ads, and payment handling, which are beneficial for more professional endeavors. This tiered pricing structure allows you to choose the package that aligns with your needs and budget. Before launching, Wix allows you to preview your website to ensure everything appears as intended. This step is crucial as it gives you a chance to catch any design or content issues before your site goes live. You can save your progress continually, ensuring your work is safe and up to date. Once you're satisfied with the final look, you can publish your website and share your creation with the world. So there you have it, a quick overview of how Wix works. This platform empowers anyone to design a stunning website with ease, offering the tools and flexibility needed to bring your online presence to life.